Alright, so you have added your pages and you're ready to start editing. This tutorial is going to show us the different types of page layouts that you have to choose from and how they work. So when you're ready to start editing your page, you're going to go up to the top right hand corner, you're going to click the pencil. This is going to take us into editing mode. And the first place we're going to start is site layout. When you click layout, you see you have all of these different options. The default is to set up for one column. The difference between the simples and the just regular 1, 2, and 3 columns is this little space up at the top and the bottom. This is for when you want your page maybe to be called something different than the actual name, or you want to give some kind of instructions at the top and the bottom. These typically are the ones that I use because I like to give my viewers a little bit of information up front about what they're going to see on the page. This is my training schedule page, and the way that I like to set those up is I like to have my dates on one side and then links to my resources on the other. So I'm going to go for the 2-column, just regular 2-column layout. When I click that, you'll see now that I have these gray boxes, or gray outlined boxes here. And again, I have my space for instructions or information up here at the top. Here I will list my training dates. In the right hand column, I'm going to list I'll insert my training materials, and we'll talk about more how to do that in the later tutorials. I just wanted to show you how it would look. And then down here at the bottom, I may give some links for more information, where to go on my website for more information, just whatever you want to put down at the bottom. A thank you for viewing my training materials, whatever you wanted to put. Alright, so I've got everything on my page. We're just going to pretend that I have everything on my page here. But I decide that maybe I need a 3rd column for extra links. Instead of putting those at the bottom. I can very easily change that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up here to layout, and notice that I have not clicked save, so I am still in edit mode. So I'm going to go over here to layout, and I'm going to click 3-column. Notice how all of the information in my first 2 columns stayed the same. All it did was add another column. But let's say I don't like that either, and I'm thinking about it, and maybe I just want 1 column here in the middle so that I'll list my training dates, and underneath each training date I'll link to my materials. So let's see what happens when we move from a 2 or 3 column to a 1 column. So I'm going to go back to layout and go to 1 column. All it did was it moved all of my information to this 1 column. So you're not losing any information when you change from one to the other. It just kind of rearranges it, and then you can copy and paste or cut and paste whatever you need to do to put your information where you want it on the page. So that's very simply how you can change the layout. Let's go ahead and save this, and I'll show you how once it's saved these gray boxes disappear. Let's go back to the 2-column, and I'm going to cut. I right click there, that's how I got that menu, and paste. And then I'm going to click save, and notice on my page those gray boxes go away, so your viewers can't really tell how you have separated those out into boxes, but it just helps you keep everything nice, neat, and organized. So that is page layouts in Google Sites. Thank you.